guys, happy spring. Today we are doing a fun project on a highlight plant, the Proven Winners Perennial Pinkablu. Hey guys, I just wanted to interrupt this video real quick for a very special announcement for the giveaway winners. I'm so excited for you guys. We are so thankful for all your love and support always, so it's so fun to bless you guys back, and I just hope you guys enjoy your gift cards so much. So as a reminder, there was two $50 gift cards and one $100 gift card, and the Power Planter Auger that fits the grande and the quart pots, and they're all for our website, Set Apart Farm and Gardens, shipnow.com or setapartfarmandgardens.com. So the winners are, you guys ready? I'm gonna read them off here. Suze Q or Susie Q 7456. That's one for the $50 gift card. So the other $50 gift card is Janice Cox 1882, and the $100 gift card and the Power Planter Auger is KMD AMD Davis 9459. Congratulations, guys! I'm so excited for you guys. We will put those on the screen so you can just confirm that it was you guys. And then for the winners, just email us at setapartfarmandgardens@gmail.com. Confirm it's you, and all you need to do is tell us your name, and then we'll get in contact with you. Just be on the lookout for scammers. We won't comment on the comments asking you guys for any information or money or anything ever like that, ever asking you for your personal information. So thank you guys so much again for participating in this. It was so lovely reading all of your comments and just all of your hearts and what your ideas are for your gardens this year. And then let us also know in the email if you are local to Greenville, South Carolina, or if you are not. So we have two websites if you weren't aware of that. Set Apart Farm and Gardens shipnow.com is for shipping. setapartfarmandgardens.com is our local to Greenville, South Carolina. Stay tuned because we are going to try to have more and more giveaways because it was so much fun and fun to bless you guys. Congratulations again so much. Have fun shopping. It is in our front porch area and it is so gorgeous. It has been blooming for about a month, probably here in the south, and it is so beautiful. I want to plant more of them. I had more that I was going to plant last year and I just didn't get to it. They actually have been in their nursery cans over winter and are still doing amazing. And we just want to deck out the front area and just make it look so pretty and incorporate more of them. So let me go show you what it looks like. Okay guys, we are in the front area of our porch and here you can see, let me just pause for a second. Oh, look at that glorious plant. There is the tag for it. Proven Winners Pinkablu. It's perennial. And like I said, it's been going for, I'd say probably a month. And it looks like it's not going to stop anytime soon. Isn't that so pretty? I just love it so much. It's been so happy and so joyful every time we come out of the house. So I want to deck out. You can see there's one hiding there. We have the Proven Winners Jazz Hands Laura Petalum here. Ooh, I didn't see that it was budding out. And we just wanted to tuck them under here to make it really pretty, but I realized even though these are part shade to shade, they still, like, this area gets the morning sun and then it's shaded here in the afternoon, but they still seems like a good amount of sun. We can't do hot afternoon sun here in South Carolina, but I think I'm going to move these out. I'm going to talk to Sebastian to figure out a placement. We do have a lot of cleanup to do. These are the nursery cans of the other ones that need to be cleaned up and planted. And this is the drops of Jupiter oregano, needs to be cleaned up. We may move this. I'm kind of figuring out how I want this to be. It would be really pretty just to have it decked out of these, even in summer for the foliage, and then just doing annuals in the front area. We'll figure it out as we go, but so pretty. Okay, so here's the other side of our patio. This is where we did the winter planter that everything kind of browned out. That will be another project that I have some ideas for, but you can see it just, I had cleaned it up before, but it got some weeds quick. So we're gonna weed it. And then here I would also like to put kind of the mirror image of the pulmonaria. So excited to get that done. So that's before on this side, and here's before on this side. I'm gonna use Luca's rake to get the leaves. It works perfectly around the plant. Okay, we're gonna give our weeds to our chickens. They're gonna love these. Okay. Hi, ladies. Are you guys calling? You screaming for weeds? Hi, mamas. Hi, mamas. Here you go, ladies. Enjoy your weeds. Sometimes it's easier to cut dead leaves off your plant, and sometimes it's easier to pull. Sometimes I just give it a test, and if they come easily, it's easier with your hands than it is with a pruners. Okay guys, I wanted to show you an update. I got this whole side cleaned up and done. It took a lot longer to clean it up. There were so many leaves just hiding under the bush, like buckets full, that more than it looked like. So I got those all out. I feel like we restored her to her proper glory. She's shining now and beautiful, and got all the dead leaves and leaves out from the bottom. Isn't that gorgeous? So you can see the other two hiding down there. Here's the 3 in the pots that are for the other side that I cleaned up. Cleaned up the drops of Jupiter, ornamental oregano. This was here. This is our shrub. Bear is peeing on here. We're trying to train him not to, but we just gotta train him not to and get that little refresh, and that'll grow back. Cleaned out all under here and the weeds here. The deer like to nibble on these pansies, so they would be so full if they didn't, which is a bummer. I'll show you the ones on the window box by the shop, but that's okay. And then I got that all cleaned out. Here's the ones in the window box. I think they're a little dry, and it was a little windy, like terrible windy yesterday, so usually they've been just full and upright, but you get the idea. They're just beautiful and bright. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go on this other side, clean this up, and then I can think and figure out what would be the best thing for planting and arrangement and all that. Are you just having the best time ever? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, you're being so good. Someone the happiest dog in the world. Hi, Bear. Okay, we finished it. I am so excited. It looks so fresh and so beautiful. So we took the 2 pulmonaria from behind the loropetalum and made a little trio with this one here. I actually decided to leave this because it looks really nice with the color pop here and on the other side. And these violas are matching the color so beautifully. We brought in some compost and topsoil, and it just looks so beautiful and fresh. I love it so much. And then on the other side, we did the exact same thing. So you can see this one is filled out a little more how pretty it is. I love that color. And then the ones that were in the plant cans, I put right here. This one is blooming. So hopefully now that they're in the ground, they will bloom out like crazy. So we got one here, here, and here. And if they get nice and big like the other ones, they'll kind of touch, which is what we want. It looks so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to give you some of the details on the pulmonary pinkablu. This is a Proven Winners perennial, so it's going to be blurry if I move it closer. So I'm just going to move it over here so I can see it and give you the exact details. It is a part shade to shade perennial, and here in South Carolina we noticed that we put it in like pretty full shade, but it likes some sun, so make sure you give it some sun. If you're in the northern climates, you could probably put it in quite a bit of sun, but our summers are pretty intense, so it appreciates the afternoon shade. So morning sun is really, really good if you're in a hot place. 16 to 18 inches is its height. Its spacing is 22 to 24, so you can see how these are newer and little small guys because they were in their nursery cans. And then this one is pretty spread out and pretty big. It bulked up a lot. And it is hardy in zones 3 to 9, so most zones it's hardy in, which is awesome. And I actually asked Sebastian, I was like, are the flowers pink and blue, or are they switching? And I checked up on it. They actually come out pink like that, which is fun, and they transition to blue. So if you think you're losing your mind and like, where did the pink flowers go? They actually switch to the blue flowers, which is so cool. So that's why it's pink-a-blue. It's like transitioning to blue. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed seeing the pink-a-blue pulmonaria in the landscape in all its glory. It's so beautiful. We are enjoying it so much. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it too.